Good morning, my night owls. How are you doing today? Welcome to another shadow work video. We're now on day 7. Now we're just gonna jump right into it, okay? So, day 7. What is one thing you generally love doing? Why do you love doing it? Why don't you do it more? I generally love streaming. I love streaming and playing video games and bringing somebody along for the journey for like on a story. For example, Firewatch. The Firewatch, now that was a great game. I had somebody join me and go through the entirety of the game with me, and it was a beautiful game. We even talked about it after we finished, during it, and so on and so forth. And we had a blast. That is something I generally love to do. And having people to come in and talk to me during streams and whatnot. Why do you love doing it? I love it because, well, people jump in, they talk, they just have fun, and sometimes they even join me on the games and more. And there's also potential maybe in the future. I'm not assuming or saying anything about it, but people donate to me, and that is awesome. I'm able to get my daughter stuff and take my daughter out to go eat or get her a nice gift, some toys or some brand new clothes so she can start wearing better clothes. So on top of being able to get my daughter more stuff and being able to eat, I'm having fun with you guys on my streams, and just that in itself is a blessing. Why don't you do it more? Well, money. Money is a big issue now these days, especially with the pandemic going on. Money is a big thing. And if we don't get that money, you don't get, you just don't got it. I don't have enough money to just stream every day, all day, whenever I want, however I feel like it. Also, I have a responsibility of making sure my daughter's okay and feeding her and making sure everything's going okay with her. She understands her schoolwork. If she gets hurt, make sure she's doing alright, clean the wounds if she gets cut, and protect her and spend time with her. I would love to make this into my job, but I don't have enough people helping me or watching my stuff in order for me to even think about doing this full time. That would be pretty amazing, but I don't have people just jumping in and watching my streams, and it's a little sad. I've been at this for about 8.9 years. I started streaming and making videos and everything. I know I just made this account, Godly Akuma, but I had other accounts, and I mean, for years, it's hard to build an audience. And it's getting even harder and harder now these days because all these people are coming in. They're saying, I want to stream, I want to do all this stuff, mainly due to the fact of COVID. They have nowhere else to turn, they have nowhere else to go, and they have nothing else to do. So they turn to streaming and making videos and all this stuff, and where do you think that gets me? Not anywhere good, I'll tell you that. Anyways, that does many of the reasons why I don't really do it much more anymore. And I would love to do it more, but I need y'all's support in order for me to do as such. But unfortunately right now I don't have that support, so I do apologize. But I am going to come out with more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what you have done for this shadow work, and if you have dreamt last night, let me know below. Hit that like button. Have a great day today. Peace out.